In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record processing fees in Freshbooks. If you're a business owner or managing your finances, understanding how to accurately track processing fees can be essential in keeping your financial records clear and organized. So let's dive into it step by step. First, once you've logged into Freshbooks, start by navigating to the Expenses section. You'll find this on the left-hand sidebar of your Freshbooks dashboard. This area is crucial for keeping a tidy record of all expenditures related to your business, which includes processing fees that might be incurred when you accept payments through various methods. Next, you'll want to create a new expense. To do this, click on the New Expense button and then select Manually Create. By manually inputting the information, you ensure that every detail about this transaction is captured accurately. This will also give you more flexibility and control over categorizing and detailing the expense as needed. Following that, it's important to categorize your processing fee correctly. Freshbooks provides various expense categories to choose from. For processing fees, selecting either merchant fees or bank charges would typically be appropriate. The appropriate category helps provide a clearer picture of where your funds are being directed and is crucial when you're reviewing or analyzing expenses later on. Now, let's enter the essential details. You will need to input the date on which the fee was incurred, the exact amount of the processing fee, and a brief description. For instance, your description might be something like processing fee for invoice number 12345. Adding such a description not only helps keep track of the specific expense, but also makes it easier to recognize and recall each transaction when you review your financial records. Additionally, if you like, you can go a step further by assigning this expense to a specific client or project. Doing so can be particularly useful if certain fees are directly tied to particular projects or clients, aiding you in comprehensive project cost assessments or client billing. Finally, when all the information has been correctly entered and you're satisfied with the details, hit that Save button. This action ensures that your processing fee is now officially recorded in your Freshbooks expenses and accessible for future reference whenever necessary. There you have it. With these steps, you'll efficiently record processing fees into your Freshbooks account, helping maintain precision and clarity in your financial management. Regularly updating and checking your expenses like this can also save you a lot of hassle when it comes time for financial reporting or tax season. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next video.